Hi, welcome to this short EstimatorXpress video on the new PVC-U Bonus Pack. In this quick video, I'm going to take a look at a Crystal Direct Lean-to Conservatory. So I'm going to open up this workbook now. Once I open up, it's going to prompt me for the name of this conservatory and its location. So I'm going to say new room, keeping it simple there. But I do remember to capitalize, as it will appear on the quote at the end, and location, just say extension. I'm going to click OK there now. And once I've selected that, it's going to take me in and give me the conservatory with lean-to roof specifying tool. So I basically can say, using little sliding bars, this is only going to project up to, say, I want to look at conservatories that project no more than 3.2 meters. And the width of these conservatories, I want to look at nothing bigger than 4 meters. Using the sliding tool there, I can apply the filter. It's brought down the list of conservatories available for me to look at. And in here now, I can then select a appropriate conservatory. So I've got a projection of 2.5 meters, width outside 3.5. That's fine for me. I'm going to select that conservatory now. And using those base dimensions, it's given me the dimensions in the dimension wizard already. So I don't have to change anything in there. If I do need to change these for a more bespoke conservatory, then I can do, and that's something then the price of the conservatory itself I can reference with Crystal Direct to provide me a quote for the new conservatory if there's any major changes. I can specify the width of the opening in here as well. Now, one thing to pay attention to here is the two little notes here. Now, the first note is something I've just mentioned, which is it's basing these dimensions off the conservatory I've selected. But if I need to edit these values, you may know how to change conservatory specified, get a price from Crystal. And the other note is that this will only do the PVC-U section of the conservatory. It's not going to do the slab or the dwarf walls. These have to be done in other workbooks. So, brick and block workbook, extension slab, opening formed using the appropriate tools there, either doors or a structural opening. I can select the pitch of the roof in degrees, so I'm going to say this is going to be a 17-degree pitch roof. On the next page, I can set the thickness of the dwarf walls there, by default 0.3, and using information gathered from our own sources and Crystal Direct, who have lots of experience in this field, to fit this type of conservatory at this size, it's going to be 24 man-hours to fit. There's also allowance on fixings and sealant of £50 in there. If you feel that these aren't true to your specific situation, you can adjust these in here as they are, to say, a directly editable box. Now, in here as well, we have options for stepped flashings and cavity trays. You can say no to that there, but I will require a horizontal flashing along the top. Now, the reason that there is an option for the stepped flashing in there is that this could be abutting against a wall at one end. So, it's not going to be a complete protrusion conservatory. You might be butting at one end. You might want to account for cavity trays and step flashing. So you do have the options. And then finally, we have options there to include a window board. We can prime that window board and we can also decorate it as well. So I'm going to click finish, and now our lean-to conservatory is done. If I want to, I can take a look at the resources output and see what's been involved in this now. If there's anything else I wish to add, I can do just using the add resources, but for the most part, everything else is going to be included in other workbooks. Okay. Leave the section now, and thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please call the support team on 0117 916 7899. That's 0117 916 7899. Thank you.